It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you'll likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.